Say, Misfit. Misfits, we gotta live like bosses. Mobsters, stay posse and lobster. Pull up monster, and if she proper, put her on roster. Keep it playing with mine for you haters, run the cost up. Tapped in when you think you not, little bitch, you shot with her. Cause our ambition be on that by the block shit. Clock the profit, hit the booth and kick that prophetic. Blowing unleaded lettuce. Put the cat on the stretcher, pound through a hole like I'm bedded. Know how many ways to say it for them little hoes to get it. That we straight up front, and it ain't no more credit. Feel like we may go through withdrawals for this shit get corrected. Cause for a long time ingested all that bullshit they fed us. That's why I'm proud of my people, at least trying to do better. You can lie all day, just know that time be revealing. And time is valuable, nigga, it's all about how you spend it. Since high school, been a minute, no niggas still stuck up in it. Rejecting change for years, been the same for years. We used to hang as kids, but we can't hang as men. Our priorities different, play me like the man that's been missing. But I'm the man on a mission, I can't say more of my distance. I gotta stay focused to get it, putting in work, I ain't hoping, my nigga. Feel like I'm chosen, my nigga. Say, ooh, ooh. Show me what it means to come down and pull up clean. Hey, be the fly as you see, steady sipping, smoking OG. Yeah. No, you gotta keep your beat. I made the green, it don't make me. Ooh. If you think you gon' play me, I don't got no safety. And I'm just showing what it means to come down and pull up clean. Ooh, yeah. Be the fly as you seen, steady sipping, smoking OG. You know you gotta keep your peace. I make the green, it don't make me. Ooh, yeah. And if you think you won't play me, just know I don't got no say.